Could you build a professional, Salesforce integrated survey in less than 10 minutes? Well, with Titan Survey you can. We've prepared in advance a proofread digital copy of a survey and a folder with all the logos and images we will need. Our survey includes 4 questions and will help us gather customer feedback about our support services. So, let's see if we can build our survey in less than 10 minutes. Let's start by installing the Titan Survey app. Log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Salesforce App Exchange. Search for the Titan Survey app. Select Titan Survey and click Get It Now. Follow the prompts until the installation is complete. For a step-by-step guide, see our written guide below. Now that everything is up and ready, we can start building our survey. Open a new web survey project. And select Blank Template. Choose a color theme. And name your project. Let's begin with the Start slide. Choose a layout from the predefined options. Then, upload the logo and images. Next, add the title and description. Great, let's move on to the Finish slide. Our first question is, did support answer your questions? Titan offers a variety of question options to gather data. For this question, we will use a survey list. First, we add the question element. Notice that the added question appears in a new slide within our survey. Each question slide has 3 components: the title, a description, and the question element itself. Each of these components can be customized. Let's update the question title. To configure the question's labels, click on the question element. Navigate to the Element Settings menu and click the Edit Mapping button. Finally, we make the question mandatory. Before moving on to the next question, let's rename the slide. Our second question is, how long did our support take to resolve your query? Another survey list question. Add the question element. Update the title. And map the questions. Our third question inquires about our supporter's qualifications, which is a matrix question. First, we add the question element. Next, we update the title and map the questions and answers. In our fourth question, we ask our respondents to freely describe their support experience, which is a text area question. First, we add the question element. Next, we update the title. Set the maximum length. Before we move on to distributing our survey, let's add some colors and styling. First, we can update the font family. Next, we can change the background color for the Start and Finish slides. We can also change the question text color. Finally, we can customize the buttons and progress bar. Now that the survey is completed, it is time to distribute it. The List View option will help us distribute our survey to a filtered list of respondents. A prerequisite for publishing with this method is to prepare a list view in Salesforce that will filter all required recipients of this survey. Using the drop-down menus, we can configure the object in Salesforce and choose the record ID. We can continue with mail as our email distribution method. Let's configure our custom email. After adding the respondent's email and a comment, all that's left is to click Send. The respondent's answers will be available to us in Salesforce. Wow! So it turns out that with Titan Survey, we can build a professional Salesforce integrated survey in less than 10 minutes. And it looks great. To learn more about Titan Survey and other Titan products, you can visit the support page on our website.